Oh, yeah. I'm doing two live today. I'm doing two live stream today. In early in the morning. Now it's too much early. Truck, guitar solo. Hi. Oh, guys, raining is coming, I think. So I think it's raining. Always feel good when you go. Oh, really? That's good for you. And thank you. Mm. Thank you, Amal Michael Jr. You know what, Amal Michael Jr.? Your name is like a Filipino name. Michael Jr. Amal, Amal Jr. Arnel. Ah, yes, Arnel. Arnel Michael Jr. It's look like name of Filipino. Are you Filipino? No, it's raining. Yeah, raining is coming. Oh, you're born in San Francisco? You was born in San Francisco? Mm. Okay, Arnel Michael. Kalyan Chandra. Hi, from UK. Hello. Thank you for watching. Kalyan Chandra. Good morning. So I'm doing my hair like this because this is curly. Yeah, I'm doing like this. You're from USA? No, 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 there. I'm from Philippines. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Kalyan Chandra. Not USA. I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippine girl. No, Philippines. No, not China. I'm not Chinese. I'm a Filipino. So I'm from Philippines. I'm a Filipino. Yeah, I'm a Filipino. Filipino. Okay, nice. Yeah, nice to meet you too. And welcome to my life. Hi, Salco Karik. Thank you. Thank you for watching, Salco Karik. And good morning to you. Good morning, guys. Everyone, good morning. Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines live stream. Hi. Hello, hello.